Hey guys, this is Vaish from Vaishayes. So the June, July, August 1 to 5 MCQs I have already shown you. Now in this video we'll do the September. But before that I want to tell you the students that please focus more on your studies. Whatever other commitments you have, any functions, any like meeting friends or any movie plans, whatever, just keep it aside for 40 days. Okay, after 45 days, once you clear this, you're like, it will be like, you'll be very happy to do like next 10-15 days you can do whatever you want. Okay, before you start your mains preparation. So please don't waste these 45 days, cancel all your other plans and just sit for studies. Okay, because we have been telling you this since last June, like prelims is something which is like very tough nowadays. Okay, very tough means it's like not the questions are tough, but unless you are a serious aspirant you cannot clear it, because UPSC is very well, they know like what is the one with the only the serious aspirants can solve, or one who just simply by hearted it in the last minute or simply glance here and there or did some trick kind of studies. Such people will not clear. Okay, because there are a lot of things out in the market, in the YouTube also, people are telling like, you do this trick you will clear, you do that trick you will clear. I am telling you, people who go for only shortcuts will not clear. Shortcuts are needed, but only to revise the things which you already learned. Okay, so please be in the category of the serious students who wants to take this exam seriously, because you are going to get a very high position in this Indian government. Okay, so it's not like a bank job, or it's not like a very peon or clerical kind of job. It is, you are getting into the service. Okay, Indian government service, which is one of the highest in this country. So please have that in mind when you prepare for this thing. So 1 to 5 MCQs of September. E-learning platform Pravah and software Kanthas. Okay, it is in news. So which ministry? Okay, so it's like a kind of actual, you can tell unless you have read this news you cannot do that, because from the name I don't think you can guess it. Okay, which ministry it is, because options will obviously put it very close to just confuse you. Okay, so try to guess, else anyway I'll show you the answer after some time. Okay, so next one, Marusada river. Okay, this river is in news. Why? Okay, so it's a tributary of which one? That it will be news obviously for 2-3 reasons. One, maybe river linking project is happening, or some drought happened, or some algal bloom kind of something happened, fishes or something died, or maybe what can, or some hydro project. That these are the reasons for which a river can be news. Okay, and that is exactly what UPSC ask also. Okay, they won't ask any old river project or old something. If it is in news recently, some border dispute, something happened, only then it will be asked. Okay, like 2016 I think Teesta was asked, 2017 something else was asked. Every year one river will be asked. Okay, in options or somewhere. Third question, Cosmos Aztec 1. Okay, recently located by scientists. What it is, whether it's a supercluster, black hole, or a red dwarf, or a monster galaxy. There are a lot of things happening like this. Okay, Saraswati supercluster was like the biggest news last year. This year now black hole discovery photo is there, so that is there one news. So what is this thing, Cosmos Aztec 1, which came in September news? Okay. Next one, which of the following venues are matched incorrectly? Okay, incorrectly, that means 3 are correct. So first is the Women Entrepreneurship Summit in Kathmandu, or Ayurveda Congress in Netherlands, or Kazint exercise. Okay, India and Kazakhstan exercise. Okay, whether it is happening in Ladakh this year. 6th East Asia Summit, and the 15th Indian Asian Economic Meet, which happened in Singapore or not. So 4 things are there, 3 things are true, which is the one which is false. So it's all 2019, so 2018 even, September, near to September it happened. That is why compiled in one question. Okay, there's also one thing which Vaishayas does. We compiled all the similar events together, so that in one MCQ you are learning 4 news articles. Okay, else for other test series if you take, they'll have 4 separate MCQs for this, and then they will tell like, okay, we gave you 100 MCQ, we gave you 200 MCQ. If you have to make MCQs like that, you can make 10,000 of MCQ. Okay, but the money which students have put, we should give them some quality things. Okay, minimum MCQs and maximum coverage. That is what we do. So okay, that's something else. So again, I think 6 questions you will be seeing today. So the 4th one is that one. 5th one is inventory and revival of springs in the Himalayas for water security. So something like that. Okay, the report kind of thing have come about the springs in the Himalayas. Okay, so which one? Who has given? UNEP, CSC, CPCB, or Niti Aayog? Okay, who has given this report? Next one, IO Wave 18. Okay, what is it related to? It is innovation, Indian Ocean, women empowerment, or water scarcity. Okay, so again, options, I don't think it's like easy. If you have seen maybe like wave, you will see and you will think like it's Indian Ocean, or maybe it's a wave of knowledge, it will be innovation, or maybe W is there, it will be women, like it can be anything. Okay, water, that's why we frame the options like that, so that when you learn this in exam, whatever options UPSC put, you will be able to link it. Okay, so these are 6 questions. Now I'll show you the answer for today's questions, 5 MCQs. Give me a second. First is the learning platform Pravah. So it is under Ministry of Home Affairs. How? You know, the Department of Official Language. Okay, there's a department like that in India, which is under MHA. Okay, so that is one extra information you learn here. Okay, Ministry of Home Affairs has this Department of Official Language. Don't think like language is under HRD or something. It is under Ministry of Home Affairs. So they have this app or software. So it's actually for translation. Okay, English to Hindi translation. This thing is there. Kanthas, there's a translating app. And the other one, the last 2-3 lines, if you thing where you can I think learn again Hindi, okay, from your mother tongue language itself. You can try to learn related Hindi kind of dictionary kind of thing. So that is like in multiple languages it's there. So that is in the Prava e-learning platform. It is for learning Hindi actually. Okay, e-learning platform is Prava, and the translating software or whatever it is Kantast. Okay, and both are under Ministry of Home Affairs. So that's the first question. So Marsuda River, Marusadar. Okay, Marusadar River is actually Chenab tributary, and it is actually in use for. Yeah, here it's a 1000 megawatt Pakkal Dul, okay, some hydropower project, 1000 megawatt Pakkal Dul project is there, and 48 megawatt lower Kalnai. Okay, so both are there on Chenab River. So this is something which we are giving extra information. So that river has 2-3 projects. Okay, this Pakkal Dul and lower Kalnai. Okay, so these are in the tributaries of Chenab. Okay, so that is the reason it is in news. All the others also, Brahmaputra, Teesta, Mahadai, the options which you see, all these are in news for several reasons. So in different MCQs you will learn that. Okay. So next one, Cosmos Aztec 1, recently located by scientists, is a monster galaxy. Okay, so it's a monster galaxy. It is some 12.4 billion light years away. Astronomers have obtained this thing using a telescope, which is in like Chile. Okay, this Atacama Large Millimeter Submillimeter. Okay, ALMA telescope. I think UPSC have asked once, or I think it was in options at least. Okay, once last year or something. So this actually that has located it. Okay, or it's like it's made a detailed chart on it, an anatomy chart of this particular monster galaxy. Okay, but it's not like it is the one who discovered it. In the next line, if you see, the discovered one is actually by some James Clerk Maxwell telescope in Hawaii, and then after that, some amount of carbon monoxide was found by some other telescope in Mexico, large millimeter telescope. So 3 telescopes in one single news you are learning. Okay. One is the James one which discovered it. Next one, amount of carbon monoxide by the another one, the LMT in Mexico. And now a detailed chart about it is by this ALMA telescope. Okay, so 3 things about this monster galaxy. Now this venues here, Kazin is wrong actually. Okay, Kazin actually this year it happened in Kazakhstan itself. Okay, if you see the red highlighted, third India Kazakh joint, this thing happened in Otar region in Kazakhstan. Okay. Actually the previous one happened in India. Okay, previous one 2017 happened in India, but 2018 edition it happened in Kazakhstan. So that is why it is false. The remaining all are true. The first one, women's, this thing is actually in Nepal. It's actually a SAARC recognized body. Okay, this Women Development Forum or something, South Asia Women Development Forum. So they conducted this International Women Entrepreneurship Summit in Nepal. Okay, second one, Ayurveda Congress. So it's actually the 4th one. Okay, so that also UPSC can ask like the first ever Congress happened this year, but it's not the first one. It's the 4th one. Okay, so it happened in September. So that's why it's in this PDF. So it's happened that time. And nothing much, the location Netherlands. Okay, and the other one, East Asia Summit, it happens every year. So that one is like this thing, Singapore, it happened. Okay, so here we have given the list of ASEAN countries, what is the countries, RCEP countries, what is the countries, East Asia Summit, what is the country. It's a different thing. Okay, 10 plus 6 plus 2. Okay, ASEAN, RCEP and East Asia Summit. Next question, the Springs in Himalaya water security report. Okay, it is by Niti Aayog. So as I told, Niti Aayog, I think every PDF you take, every monthly PDF, there will be at least 1 or 2 reports by Niti Aayog, by NABARD, by BEE, the Bureau of Efficiency, Energy Efficiency. Every month these people will keep on coming with reports. Okay, and now because UPSC is asking weirdest question, you have to study all these things. Okay, so here pause it and read. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, here red highlighted Shimla crisis. Okay, Shimla crisis, if UPSC asks like Shimla crisis was a news, you won't guess it like it's related to water. Okay, so but it isn't related to water. Okay, in Himachal Pradesh, water scarcity. Okay, so this is actually thing, Niti Aayog gave this report recently, and Shimla crisis is related to this. Remaining everything is for maybe for mains, but still pause it and read it if you are not enrolled to Vaishya. Okay, 6th question for today. Okay, here one more thing, 8-year program or something, just pause it and read it. Okay, it's all for mains. IOWAVE, okay, IOWAVE 18 seen in news related to its Indian Ocean actually. Okay, so here the UNESCO body, IOC, Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission, they have another body. Okay, this is actually organized by this thing. So they have this tsunami group. Okay, tsunami warning and mitigation system, which they put out after the 2004 tsunami, I think. So this particular body, it's related to this. Okay, this IOWAVE 18, it's an exercise kind of thing. So what it does, where it does and all, it's given here, and the participants is also given. It will be almost all the countries which have border with the Indian Ocean. Okay, India, Pakistan, Australia, Bangladesh, everything will be there. Whichever is having Indian Ocean in its circumference, that will be the participants of this. Okay, so IOWAVE is related to Indian Ocean, and the body related is UNESCO's IOC, and there is a tsunami related body related to it. Okay. So 3-4 things. This is the only thing you need to learn. The news link is also given. If you want, you can click on that and read more. So this is the September 5 MCQs. If you have more doubts or something, just put it in comment section, or my WhatsApp number is always there. But please do correct revision till June 1, okay, or maybe June 2 morning, okay, because June 2 you have to clear it, and I need all of you students to join our mains program when we launch it in June. Okay, so thank you, enjoy your learning, have a nice day.